Working with an RPC file in an architectural visualization project? These are photorealistic 3D content objects, real-world photographed elements that bring renders to life with stunning realism. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you use these visualization assets. My professional advice: when standard programs fail on a tricky RPC file, you need a secret weapon, a piece of magical software. We'll cover that after we try 3 main fixes. RPC files are rich, photorealistic content objects from ArchVision, containing image-based 3D representations of real-world objects for architectural visualization. They store multi-angle photographs mapped onto billboard geometry, providing photorealistic people vehicles, trees, and furniture for rendering in 3D scenes. ArchVision RPC. Content files use a proprietary format, storing multiple captured photographs of an object from different viewpoints, along with alpha masks, shadow data, geometric proxy meshes, and metadata. The image-based rendering technique provides photorealistic results without complex polygon modeling. The direct link for opening RPC files is established with ArchVision RPC plugin from ArchVision Inc. This file type demands a dedicated niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows may not load textures or geometry, so full viewing must be done in supported 3D software. We'll initiate a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your RPC file and select Open With. Test ArchVision RPC plugin if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If the RPC file won't budge, stay calm. Since the primary method failed, the error is likely internal. Immediately begin these 3 essential checks to diagnose the file's integrity. First, using in 3D applications. Install the ArchVision RPC plugin for your 3D application, such as 3ds Max Revit or SketchUp. Place RPC objects in your scene using the plugin's content browser. The objects render with photorealistic quality at any camera angle, automatically selecting the best matching photograph for the viewing direction. Next, managing RPC libraries. Browse and download RPC content from the ArchVision dashboard application. Organize your library by category, including people vehicles, vegetation, and furniture. The dashboard manages licenses, downloads, and updates for your RPC content collection across all installed 3D applications. Finally, rendering with RPC objects. Configure render settings to properly display RPC objects in your visualization output. RPC content works with major renderers including V-Ray, Mental Ray, and Arnold. Adjust shadow casting, ambient occlusion, and lighting interaction settings for seamless integration with your scene's lighting environment. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of file magic. Get the download link at filemagic.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.